Yo, welcome to Ruokoro Music Academy. My name is Chikodze. I'm in the studio with Dylan Gwatidzo. Thank you guys for sharing, for subscribing, for liking. So I'm going to play Sanganai nesu Patinonyengetera in the key of F sharp. So I'm just going to play it first and then come back and break it down for you guys. So yeah, so that's all to the song. So the basic approach to the song is you start with on a 6. You can play your 6 like this. So you have a 4 over 6. So it's not 4 over 6. Let's say just a 4 over these 2 notes, because this is not a chord, right? Over these 2 notes, so you have a 4 chord, a B major, just a straight B major chord, nothing fancy about it. Then on the left hand, you are just playing D sharp and F sharp. So Sanganai. Then you go to this 5 over 7. Then my 5 is just a major 7th. And drop 2 voicing. This is a drop 2 voicing because this is my second note to the highest, and then I'm dropping it here. So I'm just playing Patinonyengetera, Patino 4 1. So yeah, so 1. So we said this. So you notice I'm just playing the drop 2 voicings from this. So I can play the drop 2 like this. So my 4, I can play it as a drop 2. To my 1 is my drop 2 voicing. Then 5, Patinonye is a dominant chord. Then the 1 is an add 9 like this. So these are basic chords. Now we move to the 4 chord. We can also use this passing. 4 like this. After your 4, you can also go to this chord. So what am I doing here? This chord just came in my mind, so let me just try to explain it. So we want to go to the 4, right? So I played something like this. I hope I play exactly what I just played, like this, and then I moved to the like this, and then I went to the 4 like this, and then I went to this chord, and then I play. So I'm playing a B minor. This is a B minor 9, B minor 7 9. Yeah, exactly. B minor 7 9 because this is my 7 and this is my 9 because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8. So 1 2 2. I have my 2 on the top like this. So what I did here is I moved from first I did the drop 2 voicing, drop 2 movement. So so we went from here, we went to the 4 and I played something like this, 4 like this, and then I did this, and then I did this, and then I moved to my 1 over 5. Right? So basically, yeah, that's all to the song. So the 2 4 minus 6. Yeah, this is another trick, guys, that we have to do. Whenever you are moving to your 4 chord like this, play a minus 6 chord. It will break the chord. Sezvontaurwa neboys remazona hanzi ndaramu kutyora macods, kunonzi kutyora macods nechishona. Hanzi mukuti tyora mabhonzo mudara. So uri pana 4, then you see your chord like this as B minus 6 or B minus 7, like what I was playing like this, B minus 7 at 9 whenever you are in the 4. So maybe you can do a 2, 5, 3, 4, then like this, and then you can do, then you do a 6, 2, 5, then a 1 is a major 6. What you can also do when you are going to the 5, you can also play something like this. So you can do something like this. So it's all about melody. So what I'm doing is I'm just moving from there. Yeah, so yeah, so I'm doing like, so what I'm doing is I'm playing my chords like this. So then on my left hand I just have this B, I have this B flat. Then on my right hand I have F sharp major 7 chord. It's like this, but I like this inversion. So and I go to this. So then I go to this. This is actually a G sharp diminished chord, like this, but I just play it as a broken chord. So I have, and this, like this. I should have dropped this here, like this, but I played here, the B on top. So I have, I go to this, and then from this I go to this. I have G, C sharp, E, and B flat. So then I have to the 2 over 1 from this, and then I play something like this. So altogether, whenever you are going to the 5, you might not have to play this all the time, but just to catch the ear of the listener, you can also do this. So on your 5 chord, like this, as a 9, as a C sharp at 9, like this. So I have something. Sorry. Then also, what you can also do whenever you are on the 5, you want to go to the 1. You are maybe something you're on the 1 over 5. You can also play this. So let me use this in a song so that you can hear how it sounds. I hope you still remember these chords. So I can do. See? So yeah, that's it. Thanks guys for watching. For any more information or anything that you might want us to do, or a song progression, some passing chords, anything, just comment below. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks.